Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the battery, optical drive, base enclosure, wireless module, USB board, primary storage drive, subwoofer, front speakers, fan, and system board. Removal. Important: make careful note of the routing of the rear speaker cable for later replacement. Remove the rear speaker cable from the routing channel on the top cover. Remove the 4 2mm P1 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the rear speakers to the top cover. Lift the rear speakers off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Replacement. Place the rear speakers onto the alignment pins on the top cover. Important: ensure that the 4 rubber isolators are properly seated between the rear speakers and screw standoffs. Replace the 4 2mm P1 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the rear speakers to the top cover. Route the rear speaker cable through the routing channel on the top cover.